Wondering how to make viral stick figure animations like this? They're actually super easy, and I will show you how to do them in this video.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how I made, or the process of making that entry screen and how everyone's been making these viral stick figure videos, and they're done using Canva. So you're going to need Canva to do this. Firstly, you want to get your script and get an AI voice. So use something like 11 Labs. You can see that's how I generated it, and download that one there. Once you do that, you can go and create a new YouTube video. And now we got the landscape like that. Okay, and then so what we want to do is we want to upload the audio that we just did and add that to our timeline and stretch that out so that it's about the full distance. So people have been using paper backgrounds for this, so you go to elements, search for some paper. Okay, so go to photos, and then I'm going to select this one here. Looks good enough, I guess, or maybe this one. Yeah, there we go, that one. So you right click it and you set the image as background. So what we do, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a bit of text, and then change it to something that looks more handwritten. Okay, and then go off the script. So my script said something like 101 how to make these. And what we can do is we can animate them, add a bit of typewriter, and you can speed that up a bit.
Wondering how to make viral stick figure.
The main thing you want to come for is how do we actually animate the stick figures. So if I just go stickman in elements, search for graphics, right, you'll see, you've probably seen this guy. So and here's the hack that everyone's been doing, is you can see view more by this guy. I don't even want to try and say his name, got no chance. And so what you can do there is actually search all of his stick figures. So you can see there's so many of them, which everyone's been using. So I'll just come up with a thinking. So someone thinking. All right. Bang. And then we end up with
Wondering how to make
oops, I did not mean to do that. And so what you can do is then edit the timing of when these come in. So you just go to the timeline, drag it across. So
Wondering how to make viral stick figure animations. And
then yeah, you can add whatever you want into that. There's so many to choose from. And yeah,
Wondering how to make viral stick figure animations like this?
And then we can go easy.
They're actually super easy.
And what else did I do? Say and bang, just put that in. Might change it to red. And just change the timing of it all. So
Actually super easy, and I will
and then
show you
Oh, one thing I forgot to add is
like this.
when you're done with a scene, you just press the S key and that will split it. That's a really handy shortcut. Probably should add that in earlier.
They're actually super easy, and I will show you how to do them. In this video.
Alright, and then that's basically it. You just go through and make them
Wondering
however you want, however you want to create them. And then yeah, you just export it. So I'll save that, export, Done. And yeah, that's all. See you in the next one.